From the outset, OB7 was designed to work easily and with the widest possible range of equipment, from basic shop machines to highly sophisticated and precise industrial machining centers. This also created a challenge. With all these different machines from manufacturers from across the world, how does the robot talk to them? The easiest way is to simply teach OB7 to push the button. But for some situations, a direct robot-to-machine connection can be helpful. To reduce setup and shorten cycle times, the robot can talk to your machine through the use of the general equipment interface. With the GEI, you can tap into your machine's M-code signal or simply use the remote switch interface kit. Here's how it works. First, shut off the power to your machine. What you will do is directly tie into the power switch. By opening the back panel and connecting to the start switch module, this will provide an external signal that the robot can use to turn on your machine. When your machine has completed its cycle, it needs to tell the robot. You can use the machine's M-code signal or simply use the remote stop switch. The remote stop switch sends a signal to the robot that the machine has completed its cycle. You can mount the switch in a variety of places. For milling machines and machining centers, an ideal location is in the front corner of the machine bed. This way, the switch is automatically activated without an extra step. For turning centers and lathes, the switch is mounted in an out-of-the-way location to be activated at the end of the cycle. So basically, that's it. Communication with your machine is really quite easy. The robot simply receives the signal from the switch and knows that it's time to go to work. And there's always the simplest solution, to have OB7 push the start button.